Good morning, guys. If you can't recognize what this is a shooting range. And today I'm finally gonna shoot my first gun in Ukraine.
Yeah, you're good.
Guys,
You're good.
first time, guys.
Так, давай, снарядим, shoot. Video shoot.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay? One moment. Yep.
So we're back in Ukraine. This truck is for the 3rd Brigade Spartans, Special Forces.
I started this fundraiser not knowing this. Okay, we do it in August and it almost failed. I was so tense, like, how are we gonna able to fundraise this convoy? And then September came and people were like, shut up and take money, buy the truck, you know.
Yo, Mikado. Good to see you, buddy. Right next to my my truck.
So this is the legendary, as you guys know,
Good to see you, buddy.
Johnny FD. We've had him on Good Morning Kyiv. He's been here since forever, even well before the full-scale invasion, and now he's here involved with NAFO. Tell us about it.
So this is the 6th vehicle that I helped fundraise for in Ukraine. But most of the ones before were for civilian use. One was like a van for like an orphanage, some medevac for kind of more like for volunteers.
Yeah.
But actually it wasn't until I was on Good Morning Kyiv that I had even thought about fundraising for NAFO.
What's your message to those that, you know, they think that they have to donate a bunch to make an impact? What do you have to say? Are those that want to contribute that might not? Well, how can they contribute to something like this?
All the donations that I've gone, as far as I know, were 100 or 200 euros. I know for some people, it's still stretching the budget. Maybe you guys don't have a lot of extra money, but for most people, you know what? If you really want to support something, $100, $200, you can find a way to do it, right? Skip a couple nights out at the restaurants or the bars. Right. So all these donations were literally people, saying, you know what? I don't have a lot. Here's $100. Here's $200. Let's try to get to the point, and here we are. We're not doing it just because it's the right thing to do, which it is. We're doing it because we need stability in the world, and we can't let countries like Russia get away with bullying forcefully neighboring countries, because if we give them an inch, they're going to take a foot. If we give them a foot, they're going to take a yard. If we give them a yard, they're going to take the whole football field. I'm going to slowly let go while giving a little bit of gas.
Okay, so right now I have my foot in my clutch. My foot's down on the clutch and it's on the brake.
So you'll take it off. The easiest way, I'm going to turn it around, and you can try to go uphill here. That's the easiest way to learn. We can do that. So let's do that.
Here we go, bro. Something different. It's different than the automatic, which is just you start the vehicle and you go. You have like different mechanics you got to do, and you got to be careful with the clutch, or you'll kill the vehicle. It's just a skill that I never learned, but it's awesome that I'm here in Ukraine getting to learn a new skill, as well as handing these vehicles off. Unfortunately, I never learned growing up. I only had the privilege of having automatics, so.
But for his first time, especially going up a hill, he did really well. So good job. Let's go.
Только слезы благодарности и слова благодарности. Я не знаю, где мы были бы сейчас вот в этом этапе времени, если бы не поддержка наших друзей, братьев наших, да, западных. Пусть мы не такие близкие, не такие рядышком, но без вашей поддержки и без единства с вами, как украинцы сплочились едино, да, и вы сплочились вместе с нами. Вы не оставили нас где-то там на стороне, и вы нам помогаете. За это огромное спасибо каждому индивидуально. От каждой семьи Украины, от каждого украинца, от каждого ребенка Украины, который родится и который будет дальше жить и воспитываться в этой стране. Поэтому огромное вам спасибо в лице всех, кто нам помогает.
We are 80th Brigade, thank the 69th Sniffing Brigade and Johnny FD for this well-equipped pickup truck, which is bringing our victory more closer. Glory to Ukraine! Glory to heroes!
Hello guys, today I'm actually at a shooting range here in Ukraine. This is a training grounds for the military. We have some really good instructors, special forces. Unfortunately, I can't show them on video for security reasons, but maybe you can see me shoot a little bit. I'm sure you hear it in the background already.
Плюс. Safe? Okay. Go, go. Video. Yes. There he goes. Hey, you were good. Go. Yep. Stop. Yep. Okay.
I will control you. You want to shoot?
Перед выстрелом. Поиграй с кратностью.
You have to find best position for your body. Best position. Не, нажми, воно там ще треба перезарядити. Да.
How cool is this, guys? These are some of the guys who are actually training us today. Talk about special forces. They've definitely got some cool stuff. So while you
Unit hold. Reload. Just no, not left hand, just right. More powerful. We can more. Okay.
God, this is super heavy, guys. Let's see how it does. It's so heavy.
approximately 3 kilo, 10 kilo.
Heavy, guys. It's so heavy. Woo! That's cool. Definitely.
Arthur, what's in your pants?
Johnny, what do you say? What do you got to say?
I'm terrible at this.
Yeah?
I shot it. I hit one target out of 16 bullets.
Yeah.
It's not meant for handguns, guys. It's like an assault rifle or machine gun or something. That's it.
You were killing it with the rifles.
I didn't care the rifle. I don't know why.
Yes. You ready?
Okay.
Slowly. You see good. Relax.
You ready?
Slowly. Slowly.
То, що я казав, дивись, ти зараз виводиш, швидко виводиш. Після цього
Slowly, bro. Slowly.
ти хоп, зупинка.
Next point.
Зупинився, присіли.
Oh yeah.
Let's go, Johnny. Ooh.
You finish.
Hey, you were doing good though. You were killing it.
Control.
Пла.
Yeah. John Wick.
All right, thoughts?
Guys, much harder to hit with a handgun than it is a rifle.
Yeah.
But like, turns out you're not supposed to go blot, blot, blot. You're supposed to aim like this. So. So
I'm just gonna like.
oh.
Okay.
What do you guys think?
The instructor was really good also,
Yeah.
so I think it's a lot of time.
I think Arthur did by far the best.
Yeah, it's amazing times. The instructors are very, very good. They're very knowledgeable.
Let's record.
Thank you
waiting
guys.
for us.
We did a good job.
It's like a real combat.
Oh.
Do I aim at the target?
Yeah.
What do I aim at?
Fire! Право! No! Without him. Okay? Without him? So you might...
Yes.
Як його звати?
Actually, a little bit more tight, everyone. So нас тут 3 блогера. All right, guys, we had an amazing day here with NAFO 69th Brigade, as well as Special Forces, who allowed us to actually experience what it's like to train for the military. And Arthur has created a campaign to help them buy these drones. These are only $700 each, actually made in Ukraine. I'm sure you've seen some of the footage of how much of an impact they make on the battlefield. So me and Mr. Mikado, we're gonna be sharing it in our videos. So click the link below and help Arthur help our defenders of the free world get these drones and what they need. Дякую, guys. Slava Ukraine! All right, guys. So where are we today?
We're in the shooting range of a special forces unit. We cannot say which unit though.
I can't say where we are either.
No, it's like in the woods, very secretive.
Somewhere in Ukraine.
Absolutely.
But what we can say that these are no contest the best special forces unit in Ukraine.
Very knowledgeable. Training is excellent. Hands-on. Taught everyone.
Yeah. Well, I feel a little bit underprepared and underdressed. We got former military camo, Estonian soldier, and the only thing that I've ever trained in is McDonald's fun.
You're gonna do great, bro.
We'll see, guys.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
I shot a gun, but like 10 years ago, so we'll see how I do today.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You'll be great.
Inseparable even in the shooting range.
Christoph is jealous.
Can I lift you up with one hand now? No. No way. You come also.
Oh my
Mamma
God.
mia,
It's
pizzeria.
dragging out. Oh my God.
Oh shit.
Oh, I want to thank the NATO 69th Sniff Brigade as well as everybody who donated to the Trump campaign for making this happen.
This is example of activities that we organize for our fellows here in Ukraine, and it's very important to feel this atmosphere of war, talk with people who are fighting for our land, and you can always join us. Please donate, come with a car, and we will always be happy to see you there. Slava Ukraini!
My first time shooting like a actual real rifle. Really good equipment, really good range, so I'm excited.
My first shoot was today, machine gun. It's really crazy and control.
I can't believe that these guys do this every single day. It is so intense and honestly emotional to shoot a machine gun. These guys are the strongest I have ever met in my life.
Very good, like it's the best people in the world to train you. You know what? Amazing. Thank you.
It's exhilarating. It feels refreshing to be back out here. I was here in July, but being back out here again, it's a skill. It's like an art form. You really got to focus. It's like mental more so than it is physical. There's some technical aspects to it, but I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling really confident.
So I just got the shoot of the sniper rifle. It came straight from the front. It has a very, very distinct vibe. And they told that it has been actively used and it has done the things you think it has done. So the trigger was very soft and touchy. You gotta very softly squeeze and boom, then the bow. And you don't have to be like startled about it. First time I shoot, it's like, poof, I get startled, the scope goes all the time. And finally I can like breathe out and very slowly squeeze it. So amazing feeling.
Guys, what do you guys think?
That's cool.
Yeah, first time?
Yeah,
shooting?
first time ever. Yeah.
Ever shooting a gun?
Yeah, and shooting guns like this.
Wow.
Don't record without saying hi to the doctor.
So